In this video, we are going to show you how to rename and manage projects in Poppy AI. Now, if we go back, all right, so this is going to be our dashboard, right? And all the boards are going to be here. So we have different boards here. We have Chocolate Blackbird, Tutorial, Purple Narwhal, Amethyst Gull. If I want to rename and manage a specific board, all I need to do is click on that board and open it. There you go. Now, how do I rename it? All I need to do is click here. If you look towards your upper left, click on this and just copy, double click, Control A, and then just delete that, and then just like add a new name, right? Do that, and that is going to be the new name for this board. Now, how do I manage? It's quite simple. If you are pre-managing or setting up a board for your teammates, all you need to do is click on groups, right? For example, group 1 is for sheets, right? Group 2 is, say, for PDFs, right? Make it as organized as possible. And then group 3, let's make it small so that we can fit it on the screen. There you go. And then make it the same size. There you go. And then group 3, let's make it, say, websites, right? And then let's make it the same size too, or roughly the same size. So it's pretty much symmetrical. Put it under here. And then add your chatbot, as you can see, and just connect them. That is pretty much how you manage your, well, board for your teammates before they start making it. Or sometimes you can actually go a little bit further or above and beyond by adding whatever information they want based on the categories we have created here. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 off when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.